Yes, students, now come on lesson number 7, heat and temperature. And let's do exercise of this chapter. If you see here, you see that what they ask, we have to put a tick against what? Put a tick against the correct process of transfer in the following. Means heat transfer where takes place in these all the things, all the processes where the heat is transferred. Okay, so land breeze and sea breeze, heat is not transferred. Here only the movement of air we can see, or breeze is there. So heat is only transferred in case of thermos flask. We have seen that heat transfer methods are we can study in the transfer of this thermos flask. Then heating of a metal rod. When we heat any metal rod, then also heat transfer through the conduction method. And boiling of water over a gas stove, here also heat transfer through the convection method. And water bowl kept in the sun. In the sun also, with the help of sunlight or heat of the sun, bowl becomes hot. So here also heat transfer by the radiation method. Okay, from sunlight to this bowl, heat transfer through radiations. So this is about that one. So give one word for the following. Here we have to write one word. So physical quantity that measures degree of hotness or coldness of a body. That degree of measure of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. Instrument used to measure temperature. You know that, children, we have to use thermometer to measure the temperature. Temperature scale that is used for scientific work. I have already told you when we have studied about the scales of temperature. That time I explained you that Kelvin is the scale which is used for the scientific work or scientific purposes. Scientists are using this scale, Kelvin scale. In normal life we are using Fahrenheit and Celsius scale only. So after this, fourth is liquid metal used in thermometers. You know that in thermometer which liquid metal we use? Mercury. The type of thermometers that do not have any liquid metal in it. ऐसे thermometer जिनमें liquid metal नहीं है. Which kind of thermometer are those? Digital thermometers. In digital thermometer, there is a chip which is present inside these digital thermometers, and only this chip help to record the temperature. So after this one word answer, let's come on the exercises. Another one, choose the correct option. So first is, which of the following will occur if you touch a cold object? Means when we touch any cold object, then what will happen? I told you that heat always transfer from hot body to cold body. Okay, so its right option is heat from your body will be transferred to the object. Okay. Second is, which of the following is the correct order of these states of matter according to their ability to expand? You know that expansion process I have explained you in detail in case of solids, how solids are expanding and how the liquids expands. and how the gases expand, and this also we have studied. Then that gases expand more as compared to liquid, and liquid expand more as compared to solids. Okay, so expansion is the greatest in case of gases, then liquid, then least in case of solids. So this B option is correct option. Which of the following is the correct formula? This formula, children, they have given in your book, that how we calculate temperature in Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit, this F is equal to C into 9 upon 5 bracket close plus 32. This is the formula of Fahrenheit when we want to calculate temperature in Fahrenheit scale. Okay, so A is a correct option. Next, fourth, which of the following thermometers should be used for checking human body temperatures? You know that when we want to check human body temperature, I have shown you in video also that one clinical thermometer we can use and one digital thermometer also we can use. Okay, so these two kind of thermometer we can use, but you don't put tick here, because here D option they have written both A and D, means this and this both are correct. Understand? So D option is a correct option. Next, 10 degrees Celsius is equal to what? So here 50 degree Fahrenheit is a correct answer, because 10 degrees Celsius, if we convert 10 degrees Celsius temperature, then it becomes, or it will be equal to the 50 degree Fahrenheit temperature. Okay, so after this, mark the given sentences true if true or false if false. Means for true you write T and for false you write F. Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness present in an object. It is true, you know that. This is the correct definition of temperature. A metal ball will expand more as compared to liquid mercury on heating. No, you know that. Metal ball is a solid, so expansion is less in case of solid as compared to liquid. Mercury is a liquid, so metal ball will not expand more. Liquid mercury can expand more. So this is false. The process in which heat gets transferred from one particle to another without causing any movement or displacement of its particles is called convection. This is totally false, because in convection method, you know that particles always start moving, because when we boil water, I have told you that as we boil water, the water particles, water molecules which are present at the base of any vessel or utensil, they heat up and they start their movement upward. Okay, so here this is the definition of conduction, because in method of conduction there is no movement of any particle. Understand? So that's why it is false. 0 degree Celsius is the lower fixed point, and 100 degrees Celsius is the upper fixed point in Celsius scale. Yes, it is true. It is given in your book also. You can see there. Means in case of Celsius scale, lower Celsius scale is means at the lowest point 0. It starts from the 0 degree Celsius, and upper fixed point is at the 100 degrees Celsius. So it is true. Fifth is thermos flask works on the principle of conduction. It's false. It's not only conduction. You know that thermos flask works on the principle of conduction, convection and radiations. So these all the three processes work here. So sixth one is mercury is the liquid metal used in thermometers. You know that it is true because mercury is the liquid metal which is used in thermometers. Okay, so children, this is all about the exercises of chapter number 4 and 7. So next time we will do the exercises of other chapters also. So Jai Gurudev.